Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40, and today I would like to show you how to operate split screen view on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening one of your apps like Chrome and clicking on the square button. Now tap on the icon of an app, select split screen over here under App Info and choose the other app. I will go with maybe Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, just drag the first app upwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!